Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope this video find you well. This is Javed Alam. I am working in Operation and Maintenance Building Facility Department. I am sharing a video in related Operation and Maintenance Department. This video is very helpful to you at maintenance at site. This is a very innovative idea. So let us start. This is a star delta controlling diagram which has been displayed at site. You can also prepare like at your site. Currently, where are you working at this time? You have a some required of the material to prepare of this like a single phase MCB, three phase MCB, MCCB, main contactor, delta contactor, star contactor and timer, and trip indicator, NC and NO, off indicator and on indicator. You can display nearest your sitting area like LT room. This is a very quite benefit to you. This controlling diagram given to power supply, you can see in left side MCB, single phase live, and also display on the power diagram, three phase power diagram of this videos. Dear friend, you have been seen at your site. Technician has little knowledge about this, so that technician can watch, learn, and get practice accordingly. Suppose that if you are working on the controlling panel connection of a star delta motor, you have this little doubt of a motor connection, how to connection of the motor star delta, so that time you can take the help of star delta controlling diagram. You can display at your site with the help of, you can get the connection of motor easy way. So as you are aware that those technician and plumber and DG operator, STP operator, fire technician, MST, electrician doesn't know how to make controlling diagram, they can learn easy way with the help of this videos and diagram. I hope this videos like and share your friend circle. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will try to share videos always informative and innovative ideas. Thank you so much.